Welcome. Today I am with Redmi Note 10s and I will show you how you can adjust notification panel shortcuts. So we have to go for the last page and click Edit. Right now, if you want to change position of any icon, for example, we can put the NFC between Wi-Fi and flashlight. Click, hold, and then drag icon between Wi-Fi and the flashlight. And as you can see, here it is. If you want to remove icons, just do the same, but drag them below. To save, click done. And as you can see right now, it's finished. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.